Alright, welcome back to the channel. Car warmed up, trailer unloaded, frame off. I gotta grab one more block. Okay, so we're going to attempt to get the backhoe. So now we got the frame off. Try to get at least the front of it onto here. I think we can get the front tires almost to here. I'll know when I get it winched on. But the question is, can the car pull it in four-wheel drive up out of its spot? Well, we're going to attempt it. Alright, so here's where that go. I'll get the trailer back in. What we're going to do is just winch it up so we can get at least the backhoe up here, so the car's more towards the road. So let's see how this goes. So, put our stabilizers down, lock the tractor in place, I can move forward. So I gotta use concrete blocks to keep the car from sliding. So, we get this set up and repositioned, and we'll get it the rest of the way up here. Always be easier if like I have two people with me, but that's the way this is. Always fun. Almost to the top of the little hill. Close are we to the trailer? Oh, not too bad. Will the car pull it from here? Nope. Oh, I was so close to getting it on the trailer, and the battery went dead, so I'm gonna grab another battery so I could finish winching that on and get it up to the house. But I don't have to go that far, I just have to go up through the woods, so I'll go grab a battery. Alright, so about ready to go. See if this will make it up and out. Oh, so we made it up with depth rates. Pulled it. You didn't like it. Well, you got it back up here. Of course, the bucket doesn't like to stay off. We've got a lot of stuff to fix on this, so at least we're back up in here. Woo-wee. That was some work. Now we can get it unhooked. There we go. Yeah, we'll just pull it right on off. Whew. And of course, my battery's about ready to die. Here we go. Well, she's off. It's just stuck on the thing, so that's good enough. That brakes does its job. That tranny might be hurting, but fuck it. Here we go. Now we got it off. And we got the bucket to curl back up because we needed it to go past that little point because there's no stops when it curls all the way over. So it goes past the valves on the cylinder, what's down in there. There we go. So that valve is there and not like over here. So when that thing comes all the way down, it can't push it back up. So we gotta have stops because I guess they're not there anymore. But that was good. And we mangled that a little bit more. Whatever. Got it back up to the house, so that's good. So now we can start ordering the shuttle clutches, what are in here, and the other piece for that because that broke. Come on, focus, you stupid. So we got some parts to order. I know I need a throwout bearing. I'll probably order